Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Wypall is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can have in your home or workplace, offering unparalleled absorbency and durability for a wide range of cleaning tasks, from tackling tough grease and grime in the kitchen to wiping down surfaces in a busy workshop, ensuring a spotless finish every time. Number 5. Wypall PowerClean X80 Heavy Duty Wipes. Introducing the Wypall PowerClean X80. These heavy-duty wipes are designed for the toughest cleaning challenges, ensuring a powerful clean every time. Experience durability like never before. These extended-use towels are built to last through demanding tasks, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Tackle large messes with ease. The jumbo size provides ample coverage, allowing you to clean more surface area with each sheet. Easily spot these essential cleaning tools. The distinct red color helps in quick identification and organization within your workspace. Get more done with a single roll. Each roll contains 455 sheets, offering a substantial supply to keep your operations running smoothly. For professional-grade cleaning, look no further. These wipes are your go-to solution for heavy-duty applications, delivering exceptional performance. What we like. For the toughest jobs, this option offers exceptional durability and extended use. Its jumbo roll size means fewer changes and more cleaning power. If you're tackling heavy-duty grime and need a reliable wipe that lasts, this is the one for you. What people say. The roll is huge. I was amazed at how much abuse I could throw at these and they held up fine. It really is almost like a cloth. So great for firearms cleaning and lubricants for all sorts of items. These are so durable that I took 2 sheets and cut them down with a box cutter to make smaller sheets. Heavy duty for sure. They are very thick, super absorbent, and 1 or 2 go a long way. They've cleaned up oil spills with only a couple towels, they work great on glass and leave no lint or residue behind, and they don't rip apart when using them on or around rough surfaces. The roll is massive and they last so much longer than the thin old blue ones. They are great shop towels. We'll order again. Number 4. Wypall GeneralClean X60 Multitask Cleaning Wipes. Introducing the Wypall GeneralClean X60, designed for efficient and effective cleaning. These wipes are your go-to for tackling tough messes with ease. Experience rapid absorbency that cuts down your wiping time. They quickly soak up spills, leaving surfaces visibly clean and reducing the effort needed. These cloths are perfect for a variety of tasks, from removing stubborn grease and sticky residues to applying solvents. They handle it all with multitask performance. Featuring advanced hydroknit technology, these wipes offer exceptional strength and durability. They perform reliably whether you're cleaning wet or dry surfaces. Forget the hassle of washing rags. Their disposable design ensures a hygienic solution, eliminating the mess and labor associated with laundered cloths. This case includes 10 boxes, each with 118 sheets, totaling 1,180 sheets. You'll have a consistent supply ready for all your cleaning demands. What we like. Experience rapid absorption and versatile cleaning for grease, soil, and residue. The convenient pop-up box ensures quick access for busy tasks. If you need a fast-acting, all-purpose cleaner that's always ready when you are, consider this choice. What people say. These are wonderful disposable washcloths, much better than the sandpaper cloth towels used by most hospitals. There are many other uses: clean countertops and then clean up spills. The paper towels are easy to tear off and are super sturdy. I love that I can use them in water for cleaning any dishes where the food sticks, like cheese or bread dough. They don't fall apart and I can toss them in the trash. I love them for cleaning and for patting dry certain foods like air-fried potato after rinsing, before seasoning and cooking. MIT dem Wypall 8376x60 Word EIN likes, stabiles touch für die Bewältigung verschiedener Reinigungsvorgänge Die sogenannte Hydroknit-Technologie soll jetzt touch like und denig sorgfältig machen. Die Toucher sind in der Tat sehr fest, man hat den Eindruck, sie bestechen aus einer Art Stoff und weniger aus Papier. Befüllt ist die Qualität de Material so ähnlich wie bei den hochwertigsten Restaurantservietten. Das Touch ist gut für allerlei Einsätze geeignet. Es sorgt sehr gut Feuchtigkeit auf, inferntum handwerks per HUA ook OL, UND farbruikst UND nederlijk ook staub UND whiter bladgerungen. Weiterhin kan en unterschiedlichst oberflächen, ook glas, damit gerenit worden. Ook für die Einfachhandreinigung ist es geeignet. Die Toucher sind durchaus mehrfach verwendbar, wenn zum Beispiel Wasser damit beschädigt wird. Man lässt die Toucher einfach trocknen und kann dies erneut verwenden. Number 3. Wypall GeneralClean X60 Multitask Cleaning Wipes. Introducing the Wypall GeneralClean X60 Multitask Cleaning Wipes. These powerful cloths are designed to tackle your toughest cleaning jobs with ease. Experience rapid absorbency that quickly soaks up liquids, leaving surfaces visibly clean. This means less time spent wiping and more time for what matters. From grease and grime to sticky residues, these wipes handle it all. They are also perfect for applying solvents and thinners, making them incredibly versatile. Featuring advanced hydrocknit technology, these cloths offer exceptional strength and durability. They hold up even during wet or dry cleaning applications. Enjoy the convenience of a disposable design. Eliminate the hassle and mess associated with laundering rags, ensuring a more hygienic cleaning process. This pack provides 236 sheets, ensuring you have plenty on hand for ongoing cleaning needs. Keep your workspace consistently clean and efficient. What we like. This option provides the same fast absorbency and multitasking power as its counterpart, but in a brag box for maximum value. It's perfect for high-volume cleaning needs. If you're looking for an economical yet effective solution for frequent cleaning, this is an excellent pick. What people say. These are wonderful disposable washcloths, much better than the sandpaper cloth towels used by most hospitals. There are many other uses: clean countertops and then clean up spills. The paper towels are easy to tear off and are super sturdy. I love that I can use them in water for cleaning any dishes where the food sticks, like cheese or bread dough. They don't fall apart and I can toss them in the trash. MIT dem Wypall 8376x60 Word EIN Lights, Stabiles Touch für die Bewältigung verschiedener Reinigungsvorgänge entwickelt. Die sogenannte Hydrocknit Technologie soll Jeds Touch leicht und dennoch sorgfältig machen. Die Toucher sind in der Tat sehr fest, man hat den Eindruck, sie besten aus einer Art Stoff und weniger aus Papier. Befüllt ist die Qualität der Material so ähnlich wie bei den hochwertigsten Restaurantservietten. Das Touch ist gut für allerlei Einsätze geeignet. Es sorgt sehr gut Feuchtigkeit auf, inferntum Handwerksbereich UA auch OL, und farbruikst und nederlich auch Staub und whiter bladgerungen. Weiterhin kann en unterschiedlichst Oberflächen, auch Glas, damit gerenit werden. Auch für die Einfachhandreinigung ist es geeignet. Die Toucher sind durchaus mehrfach verwendbar, wenn zum Beispiel Wasser damit beschädigt wird. Man lässt die Toucher einfach trocknen und kann dies erneut verwenden. Die Pop-up-Boxen werden vor Verwendung oben eingestrukt und die Toucher können nacheinander entnommen werden. Dabei sieht Jeds entnommene Touch das Nachfolgen Touch ein Stück mit heraus. Diese Boxen sind sehr praktisch und schützen die restlichen Toucher vor Staub und Schmutz. Number 2. Wypall GeneralClean X50 Jumbo Cleaning Cloths. Introducing the Wypall GeneralClean X50, a jumbo-sized cleaning cloth designed for extended use. It offers a versatile and economical solution for your light to medium-duty cleaning needs. These cloths are highly effective at removing sticky substances, dirt, dust, and light oils. They are also ideal for spray and wipe cleaning with disinfectants, making your cleaning routine more efficient. Featuring advanced hydrocknit technology, these cloths provide exceptional strength and durability. The interlinked fibers ensure they hold up even when wet, allowing for multiple uses. Say goodbye to inconsistent cloth rags. Our cleaning cloths offer a clean, hygienic, and reliable option for your everyday maintenance tasks, ensuring consistent results every time. Each jumbo roll contains 1,100 sheets, providing an ample supply for demanding cleaning jobs. This extended-use design ensures you have what you need, when you need it. Experience the perfect blend of performance and value. These cloths are designed to tackle a wide range of cleaning challenges, offering a cost-effective choice for any setting. What we like. Get versatile performance and great value for everyday cleaning. Its jumbo roll format offers an economical solution for light to medium tasks. If you need a cost-effective wipe for general maintenance and frequent use, this is a smart choice. What people say. The Wypall X80 wipers are excellent for heavy-duty cleaning tasks. These wipers are highly absorbent and durable, making them suitable for tough jobs. The large size of the Wypall X80 wipers covers a wide area, reducing the number of wipes needed. Number 1. Wypall GeneralClean L30 Heavy-Duty Cleaning Wipes. Introducing our heavy-duty cleaning towels, designed for tough jobs. They offer exceptional strength and a soft, cloth-like feel for comfortable use. Experience superior absorbency with our innovative design. The plush surface and inner layer pockets effectively trap liquids, making spill cleanup a breeze. These towels are surprisingly soft, making them suitable for personal use on hands and skin. Enjoy a gentle yet effective clean. From wiping up spills to general cleaning tasks, these wipers are your go-to solution. Their strength and softness make them incredibly versatile. Get more done with our convenient bulk packaging. Each case provides a generous supply, ensuring you're always prepared for any cleaning need. What we like. Enjoy a cloth-like feel with superior softness and absorbency for heavy-duty cleaning. The quarter-fold design makes it easy to handle and dispense. If you need a strong yet gentle wipe that's also soft enough for personal use, this is the ideal option. What people say. Highly absorbent, very strong and durable, and don't fall apart or leave lint even with strong solvents. The boxes are packed nice and tight, but they still dispense easily one at a time. Large towels that are perfect for our shop. They don't leave lint when you wipe stuff down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.